Hi guys, you're welcome to the Future Tech. Of course, we've showcased a lot of amazing devices on this channel, but today's video takes things a few steps further. We will be talking about 10 new extraordinary gadgets you can buy right now without regrets. Stay tuned to the end of the video and do not forget to hit the notification bell. Lodge solar-powered speakers. A team of audio engineers who would love to extend the experience of quality audio outdoors came up with the Lodge speaker as the first truly wireless speaker created to live outside all year round. No, you don't have to be worried about being affected by the rain or other weather conditions. Lodge was designed to be weatherproof, coupled with 180 square inches of chip and shatterproof solar panels to keep the system protected and charged. Unlike other speakers with similar audio quality, you don't have to worry about plugging in to charge. Its built-in solar panel ensures it remains charged within a short time. This gives you the freedom to carry your speaker with you anywhere to enjoy a truly clear, dynamic, and immersive audio output. The system is easy to install. All it takes is mounting the speaker on the stake you must have fixed at your favorite spot. Priced at $210, the battery lasts up to 15 hours on a single charge. Cat Loco. Featured on several platforms, Cat VR is ready to take VR to another level with these virtual reality gear. The designers created Loco as a foot-based VR locomotion system that would give users total control of their lower body. Now you can physically control all activities such as jumping, running, or walking. Its small wireless sensors provide decoupled head and body directions by giving you the freedom to use your hands to shoot while moving in different directions. Granting you access to an immersive experience of controlling your body directions with your feet reduces motion sickness and gets rid of space limitations. Integrated with wireless connection capacities, you are expected to derive an ultimate user experience from each session. You can decide to switch to cruise control for navigation around the virtual world. Its battery is super durable and can last up to 10 hours on a single charge. Cat Loco costs $268. Segway Super Scooter GT1. Segway just introduced a super scooter that claims to be the perfect combination of speed, performance, and innovation you could ever ask for. Riders get to enjoy the ultimate riding experience by selecting from the 6 modes made available to take users from 0 to 30 meters per hour, the sturdy frames, the powerful motor, and the suspension system. Its 1,512 watt-hours high-performance battery coupled with a heat flux multi-layer cooling system gives the super scooter the capacity to reach a range of up to 55.9 miles, and the full control is all yours with the advanced braking system. Made with safety in mind, the Super Scooter was built with 900 lumens LED front light, LED daytime running light, and turning signal lights in the front and rear of the scooter. Priced at $3,499, the Super Scooter comes with 2 tubeless tires with a self-repair seal inside to withstand punctures without leaking. Kindly take a moment to hit the like button, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Cayenne. Cayenne by Smart Solutions is a 360-degree foldable slim magnetic phone stand with no limit to where you place or use it. As an intelligent and flexible compact phone stand compatible with Android, iPhone, or tablets, you can use the stand on any surface to enjoy a hands-free experience while driving or doing other kinds of stuff. You can adjust the metal frame to suit your best angle of view. It could be turning your phone horizontally or vertically, or adjusting the height. While on your FaceTime calls, Zoom meetings, or Skype, or even creating content, you can be assured of your phone being held securely. Designed to be simple compared to other stands, Cayenne is truly a wireless stand with no charging ports. Cayenne is priced at $25. BPix 4 LED Backpack. BioSled wants to give the users of this innovative backpack a different vibe from what typical backpacks do. BPix 4 LED Backpack expresses your personality as a whole with the dynamic display function, which, when turned on, the hidden built-in screen of the backpack will light up. The designers of the BPix 4 LED said they use display panels with high-end self-luminous RGB full-color LED lamp beads with a high resolution to display more explicit and more attractive pictures and animations. You can customize the text, pictures, and GIF animations to your choice, create themes that match your mood, and play them with the LED Space app control. The backpack has endless uses. It serves stylish personal purposes and attracts public attention to your business or for a campaign. The Pix 4 LED backpack costs $269. Pixie. Snapchat has just revealed its first selfie drone called Pixie to give users shots or recordings with the best resolution. The portable device has cameras on the front and bottom to capture 2.7K resolution videos and 12 megapixel photos, plus users can apply some integrated effects. With a USB-C charging port, a user can record 5 to 8 flights on a single charge and wirelessly transfer snaps captured to your Snapchat memories. Pixie costs $249.99. Coolper. Here is another functional device by Smart Solutions. You know it can be pretty frustrating to have your newly prepared coffee turning cold within a few minutes or your milkshake melting. Coolper was created to serve as an intelligent cooling and heating device for effective and rapid heat transfer. An assembly of world-class Peltier thermoelectric silent semiconductor technology gives it the power to maintain your beverages at the perfect temperature without needing a refrigerator or heater. The engineers promise that the silicon non-slip tabletop ensures stable positioning, and the airtight silicone cup lid guarantees 100% leak-proof even when you hit bumps or potholes. Putting vehicle owners into consideration, there is a retractable base to match all vehicle cup holders so you can as well keep your beverages cool or warm even in the car. Priced at $49, Coolper is your perfect companion. Hoop. Hoop is a small basketball hoop that gives you the chance to play basketball indoors or outdoors and enjoy a more interactive and competitive gaming session. With claims to be the first smart basketball hoop, Hoop comes with a high-definition screen that allows you to train like a pro with a series of training sessions made available for you. Despite being a small basketball hoop, the hoop is weatherproof to withstand adverse conditions both indoors and outdoors, and you can stream contents from your phone to the hoop. With the help of a built-in sensor, the device also tracks all your activities on the court, including your shooting percentage, swishes, trajectory, position, agility, and others. Also, you can schedule a live session with your favorite trainer and watch your progress among thousands of other players. While playing, you can stream content from the intuitive mobile app to watch your favorite shows while you play. Hoop is priced at $3,995. AI Feet. To solve the inconvenience that comes with typical insoles built with materials that don't provide wearers with the necessary comfort they deserve, AI Feet was designed to consider contours unique to everyone's feet thoroughly. The AI Feet insole is custom-made to properly fit your feet and add comfort to every stride or kick. With the intuitive Applux Care advanced technology, your foot gets measured with its details when you scan it, and the designers use 3D printing technology to customize your perfect insole. Each AI Feet insole is made of high-performance elastic resin material which has high elasticity, more tenacity, and resilience to absorb shock and protect your ankles and knees. The lattice structure of the material used is breathable and reduces humidity with a dynamic airflow which drives out any form of moisture. Priced at $20, AI Feet is easy to clean and dries off within a few minutes. LifeStraw Mission. LifeStraw Mission gravity-powered water purifier removes 99.9999% of bacteria, protozoa, viruses, microplastic dirt, and sediments from any water source, streams, rivers, and the like. You can use the durable bag made of TPU laminated nylon to fetch water and hang the bag to access the purified water. Available in 2 sizes, the strap on the bag makes it easy to transport around. LifeStraw Mission comes with an ultrafiltration membrane to filter all forms of physical or microbial contamination in the water. It also features a quick connect hose as well as an integrated backwash system to wash the bag when necessary. The replaceable membrane ultrafilter can purify up to 18,000 liters of water. On your next adventure, you can be assured of drinking purified water with no risk. LifeStraw Mission is approximated to cost $98.